Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing a real life clean with me where we are tackling my whole main living floor. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family. Now let's get on into the cleaning.
Head underwater, falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes, down deep and under.
Alright everybody, so we are starting off in my youngest daughter's room, and I'm just going ahead and picking up all of the toys that are on the floor. It had been a while since I had been in here. Honestly, the girls' rooms, we don't spend a lot of time in here. Basically all they do is sleep in their rooms. And so there was lots of cleaning to do in here. There was dust everywhere, and so wait until you see everything that I had to clean up. And make sure that you watch the video all the way through as I share tons of before and afters with you guys in today's video, as you guys really seem to enjoy those. So stay tuned for that. So I went ahead and just tidied up her little area here. We're probably going to be rearranging her room in the next couple of months here. As she's getting older, she will be 2 years old really soon, and so probably going to be getting rid of all of this stuff. But look at the dog hair and grossness here. I mean, our dog sheds so bad, and so I find that it just gets everywhere. So I'm just going ahead and vacuuming this up really quickly, and then I'm also going to lift up her change mat. Wait till you see what's under there. It was so bad.
About you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river, swim a little deeper. I don't need to breathe with my head underwater.
So I just wanted to quickly hop on here and introduce myself. For those of you that are new here, welcome. My name is Brianne, and I am a Canadian mama of 2 little girls, and I am also married, and we live in Canada. And here on my channel, I do lots of cleaning and homemaking motivational videos, as well as the odd home DIY project on a budget that is also renter friendly. So I have lots of motivational lifestyle content coming up here on my channel. And so if that is what interests you, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button. And if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure that you give it a like. It really does help out my channel, and I would greatly appreciate it.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Here is the first before and after shot of my daughter's bedroom. As you can see, it was obviously super messy. There was just toys and books everywhere, and now it is all cleaned, and it just makes my heart happy. So moving on, we are now tackling my other daughter's bedroom, where she also has toys all over the place because she has her quiet time in her room, so that is the only time she plays here. And as you can see, we have those little light brights. So let me know if your kids have them, but my daughter's both of them are actually currently obsessed with it right now. And so the pieces were just all over the floor from her playing with it during quiet time. And this little pile on the floor here is everything that was under her bed. So there's that as well. So let's go ahead and tackle this while you tackle your mess as well with me.
Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution.
I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you.
Okay, are you guys ready for the most amazing vacuum lines? Because they are about to come. Let me know in the comments if you like vacuum lines as much as I do. This is the only place in my house that I get vacuum lines because we obviously, as you can see, have no carpet in our house. So I love vacuuming her rug here and just looking at the vacuum lines. It makes my heart so happy. Anyway, moving on into our master bedroom now. I'm gonna go ahead and just quickly make our bed, but there is a lot to do in here. So we're gonna get some dusting done and just wiping everything down. So make sure that you stay tuned for another incredible before and after coming up real quick.
I know you can take my breath away. Yeah, this way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Tonight we're running on the right track.
I would love to know. I saw another woman do this on her YouTube channel. It was kind of like a this or that. So I wanted to ask you guys, what would you rather do? Would you rather dust or would you rather vacuum? For me, I would way rather vacuum. I actually love vacuuming, but I despise dusting, and mostly because I'm allergic to dust, so I'm always like sneezing and just, so yeah, you could say that I very much so dislike dusting. But let me know in the comments what you would rather do, if you would rather dust or vacuum your house.
Where's the fun in doing what you're told? I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we're just...
So as you can see, there is toys and stuff everywhere as we don't have a playroom. And I've talked about this before, but when we do buy a house here, it will have a playroom. Like, that is one of the things, on top of a bigger kitchen, obviously, that is really appealing to me. But let me know in the comments if you have a playroom, or like where your kids play, if it's in your main living area or where it is. I would love to know.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the
going ahead and vacuuming the main living area, and my daughter came out from her quiet time because she heard me vacuuming and she wanted to hear what was going on. So we're pretty easygoing with her when it comes to her quiet time, as long as she has a solid half an hour to an hour, because she still needs it. We let her come out, and yeah, I just thought it was so sweet with her coming out, so I did include it in there. So now I'm just getting this dishwasher going with all of the dishes, and then we're gonna go ahead and tackle the kitchen.
Once felt I'm done with the defense, drove back and climbed over your fence, had to show you that I was a mess.
So now it is time to go ahead and make the broccoli soup. You're gonna need 1 onion chopped, 3 cloves of garlic minced, and then what you're gonna do is put a tablespoon of oil in the pot and let it simmer for a few minutes until it is clear and fragrant. Then you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, as well as 3 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. Then you're gonna pour 1 package of broccoli in there. It is about 500 grams. You're gonna reduce the heat, cover it, and boil it for 5 minutes until the broccoli is tender, just stirring it occasionally. Then you're gonna pour it into the process blender and blend it until the soup is at the consistency that you like. From there, you return it back to the pot and add in 1 cup of milk and season it with salt and pepper. Then you add 1 cup of cheese, which I forgot to show on camera, to the pot and just let it melt, and then you serve it with a little bit of cheese on top and you have your broccoli soup. If you end up trying this recipe, I would love if you tag me over on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family. We'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.